Hey guys, I'm Daniel. This is my mom, Gila.
Hi.
She has been telling me to get my teeth fixed for quite some time. I used to have something called amalgam as fillings, which is now illegal, and expanded, made some of my teeth explode. I got quoted between $5,000 and $10,000 to get my mouth fixed. But for $300, I thought before I do that, let me give Papa and Veneers a shot. With my mom as a witness, here they are. They came in the mail. Guys, usually when something is too good to be true, it's too good to be true. But this one is actually true. Check this out. Check this out. I can't believe it. Huh? Here we go.
Okay, good.
No pressure. There it is, guys. Woo! Gila, how much did you spend for yours? She's got this too. How much did you spend?
For this?
Yeah.
5,000 euros.
5,000 euro, $300. Ow!
And I like the bright smile of my son Daniel.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.